Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we'll discuss the second problem of Leetcode BiWeekly contest 112. A medium level problem, but it is just a generic problem. I mean to say in the first and the second problem of this contest is exactly same. It's just that in the first problem you have four characters in each and every string. I mean in both the strings. Here you have n characters, right? That's the only difference. And one difference is this, right? So let's see what the problem statement is, right? It says that you are given two strings s1 and s2, both of length n, consisting of lower English case characters. Oh, okay. Uh, then you can apply the following operation on any of the two strings any number of times. What is that operation? Choose any two indices I and j such that I is less than j and the difference between j minus I is even. Then swap the two characters at those indices in the string. Now return true if you can make the strings s1 and s2 equal, else you need to return false, right? So yeah, just see this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 something. This is a string, right? It says that choose two indices, right? Suppose this is j, this is I. Okay, now you can swap them. You can swap them only if j minus I is even, right? So this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is j minus I here? It is 4 minus 2, that is 2. Great, it is even. Can I do this? Can this be j, this be I? Yes. 4 minus 0, that is 4 again. That is also even. Can I make 4 as j and this is I? No, because 4 minus 1 is not even, that is 3. Similarly, you can choose 6, right? You can make it j. So what I mean to say, if you choose any two even indices or any two odd indices, their difference will be even, right? So if you choose an even number minus an even number, the difference is obviously will be an even number, right? And if you choose an odd number minus an odd number, again the difference will be an even number, right? So what I mean to say is, it says that at any given point of time you can swap, right? It's not a compulsion. You can swap characters at any two even indices or any two odd indices, right? Now comes the question, is it possible to swap characters in such an order that you can get the same string, right? You can convert one string into other, right? That's the question. Now just see here, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's take this. Okay, now only consider one set of characters. One set means let's consider the these even positions 0 2 4 6 and 8, right? Now if you just choose these characters, these 1 2 3 4 5 characters, right? So whatever are the characters present at these positions, right, you can reorder them in any manner, right? What I mean to say, this is character A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. Okay, so A B C D E are the set of characters. Now whatever, you can choose any two indices and swap them because the difference between them is even, right? What will happen? You can generate any string, right? You can generate any string out of these characters, right? Any 5 character string using these characters, you can generate anything, right? You can generate B C A D E, right? How you can generate this one? Just see. If you so A B C D E is the order. A B C D is the order. I want to make it B C A D E. Forget about these two, right? So I want to bring B here and A here. Swap them. B comes here, A comes here. Then swap them. B comes here, C comes here, A comes here. So B C A D E. So what I mean to say, these are forming one set. Okay, these are forming one set. So if for these positions, for even positions, even indices, you have a set of characters in string 1 and you have the same set of characters in string 2 for even positions, right? For the same set of positions, if you have the same set of characters, it doesn't matter what's the order, I'm talking about set. If you have it, then that means you can reorder them in any way to form the same string, right? To form the same string, whatever is the order in string 2. Like if this is string 2, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, just taking an example. So here if I have A, here I have B, here I have C. Okay, now if in the second string you have C A B, then also you can reorder them, right? It is 0 0 index, 2 index, 4 index. So you just have to check the set of characters. If you have the same set of characters for even positions in both the strings and you have the same set of characters for odd positions in both the string, that means you can basically make them equal. exactly similar to the first problem, right? So the constraints are high here and it is a generic problem, right? So let's see the solution. Now again, we have discussed the logic. It's more of an implementation based problem. So I've taken two lists, right? Now look, the implementation can vary for you and me. It's just one of the implementations, right? This is something that came to my mind, when I saw the problem, right? You can have a different way to solve this problem, right? Take two list, okay? Now this list will store the set of characters for string 1. This will store the set of characters for string 2. Now initially I am working on indices 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on, right? So I goes from 0, I less than an I plus equals to 2. So you pick character 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. So in list 1 add the characters for string in list 1 add for string 1, in list 2 add for string 2. I made a utility function to check that do I have the same set of characters, right? Now again, here I'm talking about same set of characters. So maybe in one string you have AAB and in second string you have ABB, okay? So if you take a hash set to solve this one, what will happen? In set you will have AB and in this set also you'll have AB. So you also need to keep a track of the frequency that A comes 2 times here, B comes 1 time here, and A comes 1 time here and B comes 2 time here, right? So frequency is also very important. Don't just take a hash set, right? Otherwise, these two sets are same, but ultimately you cannot convert a string AAB into ABB because you have different set of characters, right? So what I do is, you can take a hash map as well. What I have done is I've sorted the two list and I've compared the indices, that if at a particular index you have same set of characters, well and good, and if at any position you have different characters, you just return false. That's what I do. If for any index I, list 1 and list 2 have different characters, return false. Else at last when you come out of the loop, you just return true. That's what I've done here. Okay, so if both the collection for the list are not equal, you return false, because here itself you have violated the condition. No need to check forward, right? Then you clear both the list and now we'll be checking for characters 1, 3, 5, 7, right? These positions. So I starts from 1, I less than n, I plus equals to 2, S1, S2, list 1 contains characters of S1, this contains characters of S2. Again, you call the save function, they'll sort it, they'll return it, right? And finally, you return true if both the conditions are satisfied, right? And this is how you solve this problem, okay? So the main observation here was that these two form a set and you just need to compare the set. And by set, I mean along with the frequencies, right? That is what you need to do, right? So yeah, that's it for the solution. I hope you learned something new from this video. Do support it by giving up thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel as well. In case you have any issues related to the solution, mention that in the comment section. I'll revert on each one of them. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.